Hi everyone, this is Max and this is a short review of my experience flying the Mavic Pro drone over the Belton Lake Marina and the Cedar Ridge Park in Belton, Texas. This was a 22-minute flight and about a mile from the takeoff location. The plan was to fly over offshores of the lake, but there was pretty strong winds and the drone gave me the high winds warning and suggested to return home. So I did. In my previous videos, I was using an old iPhone 6 to control the drone, but this time I used an old Galaxy S5 that I had laying around, and I will say that the experience was more pleasant. The S5 allowed me to set the video cache to the SD card of the phone and I ran out of space, so that was an advantage right there. And the screen was more responsive. I don't know if there was something wrong with my iPhone 6 or what, but the S5 worked a lot better. I didn't have any issues with losing video signal or control of the drone until I got pretty close to power lines. Then I started to get lag on the video, but nothing significant. At the beginning, I was a little bit concerned with the drone flying over water because even when I purchased the extended warranty from Mavic, which was $99 for a whole year, and that will cover if the drone gets damaged and up to 2 replacement drones a year, or at least that's what I understood. That doesn't cover if the drone falls in the water and I can't find it. You have to send something in for them to replace it. So flying over water was a little bit nerve-wracking, but I'm starting to get a little bit more confident in the capabilities of the drone. The battery life was amazing, to be honest. I landed the drone with 13% battery after 22 minutes of flight, so that was pretty impressive. After I depleted my first battery, I decided to put another one and test the active tracking feature of the drone, which turned out to be pretty impressive since it identifies if it's following a person, a car, or a boat. In another of my videos, I had it following my boat, but this one you can see it following my truck. It was flying pretty low below the power lines, and when it came close to trees, it was able to avoid the obstacles on its own. I was recording 1080p video the whole time that it was flying, and I took a few still pictures of the marina and the surrounding areas. The drone is capable of recording 4K, but I did not want to deal with the long conversion time and also did not trust my SD card to be able to keep with the speed. This is the recording of the landing. I was doing a 360 view of the area. I hope you liked the video, and if you get a chance, subscribe to the channel so you can see more drone videos. Thank you very much for watching.